Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Now click on Languages and Input, Manage Keywords, and Revert. Finally, click on Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing features are over here. If you wish to manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!